Right now, I'll be showing you how to get a new and fresh lifestyle for 2018. The first step you want to do is to visit the CryptoCode website. On the first page, you can see join the crypto trading revolution and earn $3,283 at least a day. You can see here that there are 3 spots left. Let me show you how to make 3K in 20 hours using the CryptoCode software. You can enter your email address by just clicking this box and entering it. And then go ahead and click Let Me In Now. You can see here that it will say the CryptoCode is ready for you to join. And there will be some pictures that you can see. Let's hear what these CryptoCode early bird users are saying. Here are some quotes and rates from other people around the world that have been commenting on this website. I will say, hello, my name is William Gardner. This is the founder of the CryptoCode website. Our pricing plans. This is the pricing plans that they have set it up. You can see freemium, premium. The freemium is when you get less upgrades, and premium is when you get more upgrades. You can book now or contact them. You can see here that this is the photo of the CryptoCode website. So hopefully you guys learned how to get a new and fresh lifestyle. I'm going to end the video right here. If you want more information about Bitcoin, you can visit the WheezCoins page. You can read over 150 pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the CryptoCode website.